너와 나 우리의 여름밤.
Hi guys, welcome to another class. When you're ready, get yourself in a comfortable standing position and really play around with how to land in a equal stance. Try to find weight in all four corners of your feet. Bend the knees if you're having a hard time lifting through your arch. Tuck your tailbone under. Lengthen the low back by encouraging belly button closer to spine. Neutralizing your pelvis. Puffing out your chest. Trying to find balance with shoulders stacked over your hips. Good, and then bring your arms up over your head nice and slowly, trying to open the relationship of shoulders and neck. Exhale, bend at your hips, forward fold. Bring the hands closer to the ground. Let your knees have more of a bend in them if this feels too crazy on the back of your legs. Shake out the head as needed. On our next inhale, find that core engagement of belly button to spine. Lengthen the crown of the head long away from your tailbone. Big breath in. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, stand yourself all the way up, arms up over your head. Exhale, fold yourself back down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, engage your core, stand yourself all the way up. Exhale, bring your hands down by your side. Let the breath settle. Lift your arms up over your head, big inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Big breath into the low ribs. Exhale, fold. Inhale, stand up by pressing down through your feet. Reach the arms long, find length through your body. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Bend the knees, let the belly press into the thighs. Inhale, stand yourself up. Root down through your feet. Feel tall through the crown of your head. Exhale, hands come down by your side. Engage your core. Neutralize your pelvic bowl. Find some bounce in your knees. Inhale, arms up over your head. Exhale, hinge at your hips. Forward fold. Halfway lift, engage your core. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, stand up, arms up over your head. Exhale, equal standing. Roll out your head. Bring your attention to your right foot as you engage your core. Bend at your left knee and lift the left foot off the ground. Find balance through your right foot, and then hinge at your hip. Left leg goes back long, arms reach forward, you're in a T. Inhale like a seesaw, left leg swings forward and straight as your chest puffs out and back. And then we seesaw again, capital T, leg goes back, arms come all the way down to the ground. And then we hop off of our standing foot, weight in the hands. Inhale, come back up, standing on that one leg. Bring the ankle of your left leg onto your right knee, figure 4. Bend the standing leg, open up the back of the hips. Big breath in. Big breath out. Come to standing on one leg, then step forward, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, step the feet back, plank pose and pause. Big inhale. Big exhale. Lower your chest down to the ground, laying down on your belly. Inhale, lift the chest up, press down through your hands, cobra pose. Exhale, lower. Inhale, press yourself back, hips sink over feet, restorative child's pose. Settle the breath. Soften the gaze. Sink into the body. Lift your hips off of your ankles and onto your knees. Tuck your toes under and then sink the hips back onto your ankles. Stretch out the toes. Rock your heels down. Forward fold. Then stand yourself all the way up as your heels and full feet make contact with the ground. Come to equal standing. Arms up over your head. Lift the opposite leg 90 degrees in the knee joint. Engage your core, find stability, and root down through your standing leg. Extend your right leg long behind you. Arms reach forward to balance. Inhale, hinge your leg forward, chest goes back. Exhale, hinge your arms forward and down, back leg kicks back with intention to help you stabilize. Bring weight into your hands or fingertips and do a little hop with your standing leg. And then inhale, engage your core, bring your torso to stack over your standing leg. Bring the ankle of your floating leg to rest on the knee of your standing leg. Bend into your knees and your hips. Find a stretch happening through the back of your booty. Nice big breath in through the nose. Out through the mouth. Straighten the standing leg. Bring that foot down to the ground. Step yourself forward. Good. Arms up over your head. Maybe look up and backward bend. Exhale. Dive yourself down. Forward fold, front of the mat. Step both feet back. Engage your core, plank pose. Exhale, lower yourself down to be laying on your belly. Hands underneath shoulders. Lift your chest, broaden the collarbones. Exhale, lower the chest back down. Inhale, press yourself back to tabletop position. Then bring your hips to land on your ankles. And we're gonna sit here for a few moments. Close our eyes. Settle our breath. Then do a gentle body scan. Start at the top of your head, crown of head. Let your internal awareness wash over every part of your body in as much detail as comfortable for your current pain levels. Allow the breath to be natural, washing in our attention over different body parts. I'm going to end the class here. Thank you for joining. Have a beautiful rest of your day.